So use the discernment season just to be like, hey, was this something that was just squashed down by someone I looked up to? Jealousy is a real thing. I hate to say, like, we, especially in the Christian world, fight like there's not enough space for all of us to operate in our own giftings. So when there are people who see certain giftings in you, they will start to plant seeds of doubt in you. So it's now up to us to go back and be like, hey, was that seed done like to cause chaos? And how can I rip that up and go back into alignment with what I know for a fact that the Lord has told me? So I would just really be intentional in the discernment season of figuring out what is you and what isn't.